Okay, so yes, we are getting a second Azure order this month. That's just how it worked out. So we got one at the beginning of the month. You can go back and watch that, and we're getting one now at the end of the month. Now I believe the only thing, it's a smaller order, and I believe that the only thing that we're missing is cheese, again. But other than that, I think everything's there. So stick around and see what we get. Alright, we're back, and here's what we got. There are fruit and veggie variety box that we get every month, but you're not allowed to see what's inside unless you watch the short that I will post. It went up in price a little bit. I think it was $44.50 for that. And a 6-pack of Nancy's organic cream cheese for $22.82, $3.80 each. And a 6-pack of Nancy's probiotic sour cream. That was $23.80 or $3.97 each. And a 6-pack of the sprouted wheat bagels. These make a great breakfast. This is the everything flavor for $28.49, $4.75 a pack.
Okay.
Alright, this is a 5-pound bag of dried mango. Now, I believe the last time we got this, it lasted about 3 months. So that was $51.83 or $10.37 a pound. Azure Market's 1-pound bag of taco seasoning was $9.25. And this is a 6-pound block of mozzarella, the only cheese that we did get, for $23.51, $3.92 a pound. Now this is a 25 bag of number 2 carrots. These were $26 or $104 a pound. And this is 10 pounds of pancake mix, perfect for breakfast, for $19.30 or $1.93 a pound. And we can't forget the alfalfa pellets for the cows. That was a 40-pound bag for $29.94 or 75 cents a pound. 10 pounds of ground salmon. This is good for burger night. This was $101.59 or $10.16 a pound. 4 packs of cheesecloth. This is going to be $12.64 or $3.16 each package.
Is there 1 or 2 in those?
There is 1, I think, but it's big.
Okay.
Let me see. It is 2 square yards.
Okay.
And last but not least, the late July nacho cheese tortilla chips. This, how many bags are in here?
12.
12 bags. This will last us a few months. It was $48.82 or $4.07 a bag. Alright, so with shipping, minus Azure Cash, plus some credit for some spoiled fruit we had last time, the total was $439.61. So thanks for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe and like, and let us know what you guys got in your Azure order in the comments below. Bye!